Welcome back to Smith's Sweets. Today we are going to be making monster cookie dough cupcakes. You'll need 1/4 a cup butter softened, 1/2 a cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 whole eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1½ cups of flour, 1¼ teaspoon of baking powder, 1/3 cup of milk, and then mix that together. Okay, once that's all mixed in, you're going to fold in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay, once you have all those mixed in, you will fill up your cupcake liners 2/3 cup full. Okay, once you have these filled, you put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes or until toothpick or a knife comes clean. Alright, meanwhile, while your cupcakes are baking and cooling, we're going to go ahead and start the frosting. Cream together cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/2 cup of soft butter, and a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Then you're going to mix in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 cup of oats, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You'll mix in 1½ cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time. Next, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips and 3/4 of a bag of mini M&Ms. Mix that well. Okay, now that that's all mixed up, on a cooled cupcake, use an ice cream scoop and put your frosting on top. And that is our finished product of your monster cookie dough cupcake. Thank you for watching.